In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find System Apps folder and from it select Clock. Now, before doing anything, hit Alarm at the bottom left corner and then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Settings, select National, Regional, Public Holidays under Alarm and pick your country. Once you finish, go back and create a new alarm thanks to this plus right next to three dots. Now, begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then, if you want to use this alarm only once, click on this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing to enable or disable it. If you want to use it on specific date, you can click on this switcher next to ring on specific date, hit alarm date and set it here. If you don't want to use any of those, you can also hit repeat and tap on days of the week you wanna set up. When you're ready, go back, and if you pick days of the week, you will see this option, skip public holidays. This is the one we just pick our country for. So to use it, use this switcher. Now, click on alarm sound. Tap on add new if you wanna pick a song from your smartphone by clicking on it. Or select one of those to apply it as your new alarm one. Go back again, hit label to name it, and done to save its name. Scroll, hit snooze to decide how many minutes your alarm will take and how many times it will repeat. Sorry, how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. And when you're ready, go back. Now, select vibrate while ringing to either pick one of those vibration patterns you wanna use or synchronize it with your current melody. Then tap on Folk Up Alarm Broadcast if you are using AI built-in into your INFINIX. Click on this icon here, the switcher next to it, to make your AI a part of your alarm. Then you can adjust all of those however you want to. Either way, after creating perfect alarm, hit save and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. If you wanna make any changes, tap on it, change whatever you wish, and hit save. To delete any alarm, hold it, and use this bin button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!